Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about music.
That sounds great. I love music. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. I enjoy songs that are happy and fun. How about you?
I like rock music. I love the sound of guitars and drums.
That is interesting. Can you tell me more about rock music?
Sure, rock music is loud and energetic. It often has strong beats and powerful vocals.
I have heard some rock songs. They are very exciting.
Yes, they are. I like bands like the Beatles and Queen. Their songs are very famous and many people love them.
I know the Beatles. Their song Hey Jude is very popular.
Exactly. That song is a classic. What pop songs do you like?
I like songs by Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran. Their music is very catchy and sweet.
I have listened to some of Taylor Swift's songs. They are very nice.
Yes, she sings about love and friendship. It makes me feel happy when I listen to her music.
That is one of the best things about music. It can change your mood.
I also like to dance to pop music. The rhythms are very fun.
Dancing is great. I sometimes dance a little to rock music too, even if it is not as fast as pop.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar. I learned a few chords and I practice every day.
That is cool. I would like to learn the guitar someday.
You should try it. It is fun to play simple songs.
I have tried to play the keyboard a little bit. It is not easy, but I enjoy it.
The keyboard is great too. Music is a wonderful way to express yourself.
I agree. Sometimes I sing along with my favorite songs in my room. It makes me feel free.
I do that too. Singing makes me very happy, even if I am not a great singer.
Exactly. What do you listen to when you study or relax?
When I study, I like to listen to soft rock or acoustic music. It helps me concentrate.
That is a good idea. I sometimes listen to calm pop songs when I relax.
Calm music is very nice. It makes the room feel peaceful.
Yes, music can change the atmosphere. It is like magic.
Do you go to music concerts?
I have been to a few pop concerts. They are very exciting and fun.
I love rock concerts. The energy in the crowd is amazing.
I agree. At concerts, you can feel the music and the happiness of many people.
What is your favorite song right now?
My favorite song right now is Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. It is very upbeat.
I like that song too. It makes me want to dance.
What about you? What is your favorite rock song?
My favorite rock song is Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. It is very creative and powerful.
I have heard that song. It is long and very interesting.
Yes, it has many parts and it tells a story. I love songs that are different.
Music is so diverse. There are many styles and genres to explore.
Do you listen to music from other countries?
Sometimes I do. I like to listen to some pop music in Spanish and French.
That is nice. I have tried listening to Italian pop songs. They sound very melodic.
Music is a universal language. It brings people together.
Yes, no matter where you are from, you can enjoy music.
I also like to watch music videos. They are very creative and fun to see.
Music videos are great. They add a visual element to the song.
I often watch them on my phone. It is a good way to relax.
Do you have a favorite music app?
Yes, I use a streaming app to listen to my favorite songs and discover new ones.
I use a similar app. It is easy to find many types of music.
I like to make playlists for different moods. Sometimes I make a happy playlist or a calm playlist.
That is a good idea. I also make playlists for studying, exercising, and relaxing.
Music makes everyday activities more enjoyable.
I agree. When I exercise, I like to listen to fast rock songs. It makes me feel energetic.
I listen to pop songs when I go for a run. The beat helps me keep a good pace.
Music can really change how you feel during an activity.
Yes, it motivates me to work hard and have fun.
Have you ever tried singing karaoke?
Yes, I have tried karaoke with my friends. It is very fun and sometimes funny.
I love karaoke too. Even if I sing off key, I enjoy it.
It is all about having fun and not being perfect.
Exactly. Music is about expression and enjoyment.
Do you have any favorite music quotes?
Yes, I like the quote, where words fail, music speaks. It means that music can express feelings that words cannot.
That is a beautiful quote. Music really does touch our hearts.
I also like the quote, music is the soundtrack of your life. It reminds me that every moment can be special with music.
I agree. Music makes memories even more meaningful.
What do you think about music and culture?
I think music is a big part of culture. It shows our traditions and feelings.
Yes, every culture has its own music style. It is very interesting to learn about them.
I love listening to folk music from different countries. It is very different from pop and rock.
Folk music is often very simple and beautiful. It tells stories about people's lives.
Music helps us understand each other better.
I believe that music can bring peace and happiness to the world.
I hope more people will listen to music from different cultures. It makes us all feel connected.
Yes, music is a bridge between different peoples and ideas.
I feel very lucky to live in a time when we can access so much music from all over the world.
Me too. With the internet, we can discover new songs and artists every day.
What new music have you discovered lately?
I recently found a new rock band called The Modern Heroes. Their songs are fresh and exciting.
That sounds interesting. I will check them out.
Yes, you should. I also like a pop song called Sunshine by a new artist named Lily.
I have not heard of Lily before. I will listen to Sunshine later.
I think you will like it. It has a very happy melody.
I love happy melodies. They always make my day better.
Do you think music will change in the future?
I believe music will keep changing. New styles and technology will create new sounds.
Yes, I hope that music will always be creative and full of life.
I also hope that even with new technology, music will still feel warm and human.
Music is always evolving, but its power to connect us will never change.
I am excited to see what new music will come next.
Me too. I am always looking forward to new songs and new artists.
Maybe one day we can attend a music festival together.
That would be great. A music festival is a fun place to see many bands and meet new people.
Yes, I would love to experience the energy of a live concert with you.
Live music is very special. You can feel the sound and the emotion in the air.
I agree. There is something magical about being in a crowd and enjoying music together.
What is one of your best memories related to music?
One of my best memories is when I went to a pop concert with my best friend. We sang along and danced all night.
That sounds like a wonderful experience. I have a similar memory from a rock concert. The energy of the crowd was amazing.
Concerts are special because you share the moment with many people.
Yes, music creates memories that last a lifetime.
I also remember listening to my favorite song on the radio when I was a child. It always makes me smile.
Music from our childhood is very nostalgic. It reminds us of happy times.
I feel very grateful for all the music I have listened to. It has been a big part of my life.
I feel the same. Music is a friend that always makes me feel better.
Do you have a favorite music memory with your family?
Yes, my parents used to play soft music at home when I was a child. It made our house very warm and welcoming.
That is very nice. My family also loves music. We often sing and dance together at home.
Family moments with music are very special. They bring us closer.
I hope to continue making music memories with my family and friends.
Me too. Music is a gift that we can share with everyone.
I am so happy we talked about our favorite music today.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation very much. Music is a wonderful topic.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me, Alex.
Thank you, Emma. I always enjoy talking with you.
I will see you again soon. Maybe we can talk more about our favorite songs.
I look forward to our next conversation. Have a great day, Emma.
You too, Alex. Goodbye.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.